There aren't many jobs for teenagers, but they aren't impossible to find either. The minimum age to work in some countries is 14, but some may have a higher minimum age to work. But there are some exceptions, and besides traditional jobs, there are other ways for teenagers to make some money quickly. In today's video, I'll be showing you easy ways for teenagers to make money online and offline. Let's get started. You can do chores and odd jobs around the house or neighborhood. Teenagers who love to help with chores around the house and in the yard can get paid for their work. For example, families can put a dollar value on things like doing the dishes, vacuuming, folding laundry, or pulling weeds. You could ask friends and neighbors if they know of any opportunities to babysit, wash dogs, or do other things. You can also make money quickly by selling your old clothes, books, toys, furniture, and other things. You can have a garage or yard sale or use apps and websites to sell things. Teenagers who are creative and make their own art, jewelry, t-shirts, and other things can also sell them online. With permission, teenagers between the ages of 13 to 17 can also use a parent or legal guardian's account to sell on Etsy. If you are talented in doing some things, you can spread the word about hobbies and talents you have that others may want to learn. For example, you can host a coding class or give music, cooking, or art lessons. You can find local gigs. If you can, use social networking groups to find work in your area. You can use social networking apps to offer services like babysitting, walking dogs, and mowing lawns for people in your local neighborhood. Another option is freelancing. Teenagers can make money online and build their portfolios by doing freelance work. It gives you the freedom to choose your own hours and rates and a market for almost any skill you can think of. You could write blog posts, design logos, edit a podcast, or make a website as a job. Most freelancing marketplaces only let people in who are at least 18 years old, but there are some sites that let people in who are younger. For example, you can join Fiverr if you are at least 13 years old. If you are good at one or more school subjects, you can help other students by becoming a tutor. A good way to start is to ask classmates or siblings to hire you. You can also put up flyers in schools, libraries, and coffee shops, but you need to get permission first. Most of the time, you don't need skills or experience to take online surveys, so they can be a good fit for kids who have a lot of free time. Some sites like MyPoints and Swagbucks let teens as young as 13 join. In those survey sites, users get cash, gift cards, or other rewards for answering questions and giving their thoughts on different topics. But there are some drawbacks about doing this. It can be boring, it doesn't pay much, and people often have to share their demographics or other personal information when they fill out surveys. Before proceeding, teenagers and their parents should think about these things. It takes time and hard work to make money with social media. Still, many kids have become known and made money by dancing, reviewing toys, giving tutorials, and making other content on popular platforms. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram all let kids who are at least 13 years old use their services. Do you like to play video games or talk about them? There are people who like that on Twitch. Kids who are at least 13 years old and are supervised by a parent or guardian can use the gaming platform to set up live streams and make money through donations, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other ways. There are a few jobs that kids under 14 can do that aren't against the law. Kids of any age can, for example, work in their parents' business or do certain jobs in agriculture or the entertainment industry. Paper routes are almost extinct, but you can still use them. Of course, teenagers who are old enough to meet the standard minimum age requirement have a lot more options. They can work in grocery stores, retail stores, and restaurants. Getting a job when you're young can help you learn responsibility, work ethic, and how money works. But it's important for families to set rules and decide what's most important. Talk to your parents, teachers, guidance counselors, and other adults you can trust. They can give advice, watch over you if you need it, and sometimes even put you in touch with paying jobs. Check out what's online as well. Before you use any online platform, make sure you've read the terms and conditions to make sure you're at least a certain age and meet any other requirements. Also, watch out for scams. We have come to the end of today's video. What other ways can teenagers make money? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of new videos immediately. Thanks for watching.